morning, students. Today we will discuss about the thermodynamic quantities. Thermodynamic quantities. That means thermodynamic quantity means those physical properties that related to the energy. Those physical quantity that related to the energy of molecules or energy of atoms or energy of the chemical or physical processes. First of all, internal energy. We all are familiar with internal energy. Each and every molecule has its own energy. We got this idea that each and every molecule or atom or ion, that is the species, has its own energy because during chemical or physical reactions, energy is evolved or absorbed. Either the reaction is exothermic or endothermic. How the reaction is exothermic? That is, energy is given out. Endothermic, that means energy is absorbed. Which component which absorb the energy, or why that absorb the energy? Because it need energy, it has more energy than the previous one. Or why energy is given out? The new product formed has less energy than that of reactant. Reactant has more energy, that means energy is given out. Or product has more energy, that means it requires energy than reactant. It require energy from elsewhere by heating, by stirring, or from the outer environment, from elsewhere. It will absorb energy. That means each and every substance, either atom, molecule, ion, or anything else, all the substances has its own energy. That own energy is which type? Suppose an atom have which type of energy? Atom have electron, so there is electronic energy. Has nucleus, nuclear energy. This atom is in stable form, placed at one place. That means it have potential energy. By absorbing some energy or by releasing the energy to other, it will start moving from one place to another. Some movement is there. That is the kinetic energy. Like this, each and every molecule have its own energy. Each and every molecule has its own energy. That own energy, that means it has fixed value of energy that is stored in that substance. That is known as internal energy. Energy stored within the substance. That substance may be atom, molecule, ion, etc. Internal energy is represented by U or capital E that you want. It is also represented by capital U or capital E. Suppose we want to calculate the internal energy of an atom. Beta, internal energy of an atom. This atom have electron, that energy is known as electronic energy, plus nuclear energy. Atom have tendency to form chemical bond. It means it have chemical energy either by loss or gain of electron, that is the chemical energy. It also have potential energy and kinetic energy. All these energies are collectively known as internal energy. Beta, units of energy. Units of energy are nowadays kilojoule per mole, but units is joule. SI unit is joule. CGS unit, it is arg. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 arc. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 arc. Now, beta, internal energy related to the initial and final state. That means we can say internal energy is state function. Internal energy is state function. Why it is state function? Because internal energy depends upon initial state and final state of the reactant or product or the reaction or the process is going on. Internal energy related to the initial state and final state of the process is going on. It does not depend or it does not relate to the path by which internal energy change from initial to final state. It is related only states of process. That states initial state and final state does not depend upon the path. That is known as, it is a state function. Internal energy is the state function. What is internal energy change? Internal energy is the state function. Now, change in internal energy. Change in internal energy means energy will change from initial state to final state. Internal energy of substance change from initial state to final state. So, change in energy can be calculated by using final state internal energy minus internal energy of initial state. Internal energy of final state minus internal energy of initial state. With change in internal energy, we have signs of internal energy also. We have signs of internal energy. That is, if energy is given out, means internal energy of reactant is greater than internal energy of product. Internal energy of reactant is greater than internal energy of product. So, change in internal energy can be calculated. Internal energy of product minus internal energy of reactant. And energy of reactant is greater, sign is negative. That means we have negative energy. Energy is given out. This will happen in case of exothermic reactions. For the exothermic reaction, sign of change in internal energy is negative. For endothermic reaction, energy is absorbed because internal energy of product is greater than internal energy of reactant. Internal energy of product is greater than internal energy of reactant. So, change in internal energy can be calculated. Product minus internal energy of reactant. Sign of greater internal energy is positive. We can say positive. That means energy is absorbed. If energy is absorbed, this type of reaction is known as endothermic reaction. What about the adiabatic process? Beta, what about the adiabatic process? For adiabatic process, change in internal energy is 0. For adiabatic process, initial internal energy is equal to the final internal energy. That means change in internal energy is 0. Because heat remain constant. Energy cannot change. If energy will change, reaction is exothermic, endothermic. Either the process is isothermal, isoporic, isobaric, but energy will change. In case of adiabatic process, heat remain constant. That means energy remain same. That means energy remain same. Now, important points about the internal energy. Important points about the internal energy. What is the importance of internal energy? Beta, internal energy depend upon the quantity of substance. First important point, it depends upon the quantity of substance. That means if it depends upon quantity of substance, which type of energy it is? Importance. Beta, it is extensive property. Because it depends upon the amount of substance. If it depends upon quality, it is intensive. If depend upon quantity, amount, it is extensive. Second, for ideal gas, for ideal crystal, change in internal energy or internal energy is 0. This is all about the internal energy. This is all about the internal energy.